honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? So we have another very quick, simple and easy DIY project for the last minute Halloween party. So I have these really adorable daily dose pill pouch. That is a tongue twister. Okay, so I bought these little pill pouches at the dollar store, and I had them for a while now. I don't remember when was the last. I mean, it's been probably maybe, I would say maybe like a year that I've had these, and I thought that was a really good idea to add some kind of candies in here and incorporate them for the Halloween party. So what I did was I added some of these adorable, super yummy, delicious candy corns in these little pouches. And I just thought that this turned out super cute. It's a really fun little candy pouch that you can gift to your, you know, whoever's coming to the party, or maybe if you want to even add them into like a trick-or-treat little baggies. These are really fun to add, and they just turned out super adorable. I think the little dose pill pouch really like made this project turn out super adorable. I love that the little baggies have here in the front, it says daily dose pill pouch, and then you have AM, PM, and then other. For some of them I checked, I don't know if you guys can see there, but for some of them I checked other. This one I checked AM, and then this one I checked PM. I just thought it was super cute, super cute. So let me show you what I did here. Again, one of these like super easy, quick, bam, boom kind of projects, right? So I already have the candy corn, which I bought at Target. You could get these also at the Dollar Tree. And I already put the candies in my little pouch ready for me to use. I checked out on this one other, and I just thought it was super cute. So let me show you how I did the embellishment that's going to go together with the little pouch. Very simple. All you need are 2 cupcake liners, a medium size, a small size, and that's basically it. The rest is very simple. So I have here this cupcake liner that I got at I think it was in Target. I don't remember where I got this from, either Target or Walmart. I'm not quite sure. And then I have these little tiny brown ones that I bought a very long time ago. So what I'm going to do here, let me put you in a little bit close. Let's move these out of the way. Put these right here for now. And so what I did with my cupcake liner is I just basically squished it in the center, trying to make like a little small embellishment. Okay, just like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my little cupcake liner, which is like the super tiny little mini ones. And I'm going to do the same thing too. I'm going to squish it in the center so I can add it to the top of this cupcake liner. So it's going to be a nice little layer. Okay, and then you're just going to hot glue this together. When you hot glue it together, just make it smaller, make it like a nice little pretty shape with some nice little ruffles, and it just looks really fun, and it's not really that difficult to create. And you should get something that looks like this. See? Okay, now I'm using these one admission little tickets to create our embellishment. Okay, I got this one, I don't remember where I got this one from, but I know that the Dollar Tree does sell some of these in different colors, and you can really find them anywhere. Party City, I think I also seen them in Michael's. You can find them anywhere. So I have an orange one here that I'm going to be working with. So what I'm going to do with this embellishment is I'm going to add actually a dimension on one of the side of the embellishments, and I'm going to add it to my cupcake liner. So here I have a dimension that I'm going to add right in the little corner right here. And then I'm going to add some hot glue just to reinforce it. And I'm going to add this right here in the little corner of my little embellishment. And you should get something like this. Okay? Very simple. Okay. The next fun part to this is we're going to actually glue one of the candy corns in front of this ticket little embellishment. I know it's a little weird, but I thought that trying to incorporate the candy in this embellishment kind of gives it like a really, you know, fun, you know, cute look to it. And obviously you're not going to eat this particular candy, but you will eat the ones, oops, hold on, sorry. You will eat the ones inside the little baggies, but I just thought it was a fun idea to just hot glue one of the candy corns in front of the embellishment, which is what I'm going to be doing right now. And boom, there you go. That looks super cute, very fun, and just very like playful. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I have here these like witch hats that I got at Michael's. The sticker little pack, and I'm almost done with it. I have literally just like 3 little stickers left. I'm going to use the witch hat, which is the last one I have, and I'm going to add it right by the little emission little sign right here, just like I did with this one right here. See that? And the same thing I did with this one. Okay, let me add a little bit of hot glue to the hat so it doesn't fall or go anywhere. Just a little tab of hot glue, and we're just going to add it to right in this little corner right here. Okay, just like so, and you should get something that looks like this. Really fun embellishment like that. Okay, the last thing we're going to do is I'm going to add this little tiny ribbon that I have left over right in the tip of the hat. Okay, so I'm going to add like a really small amount of hot glue, and then I'm going to add this right in the tip of the hat. We're going to squish this together so we can seal it, and that is going to give it a really, really fun, quirky look to the embellishment. You see that? How fun that looks? Super cute, right? I love it. Perfect. Okay. So I have this little tiny little spider sticker. So I'm going to add this in here because it might as well. I'm not going to use it. So let's add this maybe like right in this little corner right here. There we go. Okay. And the last thing we're going to do is we're going to add the word Halloween right in the bottom of our little embellishment. I took it from a paper pad that I had a while ago. I just cut out the word Halloween so I can hot glue it right underneath the little ticket right here. Okay, that's basically all I did. Let me trim my little sign a little bit. Okay, and we're going to add some hot glue on the back of the sign. Very little hot glue, not too much. And then we're going to add the sign to this little embellishment right here, right at the bottom. Okay, and you should get something like this. See that? That's super cute. And we're basically done, guys. That is all we're going to do to this little embellishment. So now, how are we going to attach the embellishment to the little pill pouch? Very simple. You're going to open your little pouch, and you're going to staple the embellishment right on the bottom of the little closure of your little pouch. You don't want to touch the closure because you want to make sure this seals completely and it doesn't interfere. You don't want the stapler to interfere with your closure. So you're going to go right below the closure, okay? So I'm going to take my embellishment. I'm going to place it where I think it looks good. And then I'm going to use my mini attacher. And I'm going to staple it right on the bottom of the closure, okay? And that's not going to interfere with my closure. It's going to be perfectly fine. We're going to seal it. And that's it. Voila. And that is how I'm going to create the super adorable little dose of pill pouch. It turned out super cute. It's just a really fun, festive, quirky, really, really cute, thoughtful idea. I thought it was just so much fun to use this. Would be really, really fun to display it on a table or even put it in a little goodie bag. You can even give it as a favor. It would be also a really fun idea. I just thought it was really, really cute. Now, you don't necessarily have to find this particular little baggies. You can use plain bags. That is also not a bad idea, and it would also look super adorable. So I hope that this really gives you some ideas and some inspiration to create some really fun, really quick DIY projects, my loves. I hope you enjoy watching me make these really adorable little treat bags. Make sure you thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment. Let me know what you think about these adorable, delicious, cute little goodie bags. And I hope that you guys are enjoying the series. We have another, I think we have 1 or 2 more videos to go, and then we're basically done with the series. So we did really, really good this year. All right, my loves, have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you soon. Bye.